Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my trading YouTube channel. All of you should follow the risk management completely.
Hey, what happened?
Please take trade now with proper analysis. Already I am getting 40% return of my account. Okay, market price of near my target. I will book my profit as soon as I cross the price target line. Okay, hit my target and I am closing my all positions now.
Celebrations all in my house. Levitating now, I'm super duper fly now. London boy, but DC what
The market has respect our setup.
while you always yelling time out.
77% return my trading account, close my all position.
Now I got the ball like Harry Potter playing Quidditch, and my business is humongous. You would think that happens in it. Damn man, I'm all that, yeah I'm all that. Looking for that whip, yeah that what you call that. I'ma blow up in the summer, have him yelling fall back. And I've always been ahead like an effing ball cap. Man, I came in the game like whoa. Got a couple chains on me cause I like gold. They told me I'm the best and I told them I know. Cause when I'm in your town, every ticket I sold. Yeah, they saying I'm the man. Facts bro, lot of haters. Tell me where they at though. I'm the new pop, all I do is rap.
Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates.
Yeah, I spit raps like a heart attack. Fast, fatal, hard impact. Past painful scars. In fact, I blast tasteful bars and pass. I back up my actions. Fact, don't ask. Grab reactions. Jacked attack with every word. Then act with class as they hear me snap. I got nothing to lose. Cause I